How to fix CIBC app login problem. So first of all, make sure you enter the correct card number and your correct password of your account. If this is not working, go ahead and tap on Reset Password. So this is the first step. Now, in second and third step, you would need to verify your number, which you would get through a verification code through message or call. Now, in another step, go to any web browser on your mobile device. I'm going to go to Google Chrome. Then, all you would have to do is search for CIBC support. Then, tap on this link of Contact Us. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on the official website of CIBC Banking. Go ahead and tap on Ask a Question. Now, once you come to this page, write your message, that is, write your issue. I'm going to type Login Issue. Then tap on Send. So once you type in your issue and then tap on Send, the automated agent will send you the solution to your problem. For the next step, go to Google Play Store or App Store. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. From here, let's go to Search and then search for CIBC. Tap Open the application. Now over here, instead of the option of Open, if you see the option of Update, tap on it so that your app issue and bug errors will be fixed. Now again, for another step, go to Settings. Once you come here, scroll down below. Now go to Apps. From here, just simply search for CIBC. Tap on the application. From here, scroll down below and go to Storage. From here, you'll see the option of Clear Cache. Tap on it. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.